Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial. My name is Martin here. In this video I'm going to show us how to unstake your white cash airdrop or white cash token. In my previous videos I've showed us how to sign up on white cash, how to refer, how to mine, how to answer quiz and all of that. So you can see this is my total airdrop claim so far, about 1.1 million of this token have been claimed. I can see the number of my referrals, my partners, about 15 of them, and they're doing fine. So you can see my mining pool. There's a lapse, is 33,000 claimed. So in the next 13 hours 40 minutes I will mine another 33,000. So guys, for those that are thinking this is a scam, it's not a scam. Go ahead, it's free. You are not paying a dime to get started. So take action now. This is New Year 2023. It's a year to take action. So guys, you can see if I click here now, you can see the number of coins that I've staked. 1,107 point, and the commission APY of 3.93, and my total hit so far is 2,525. So I can harvest this seed, I can unstake all. Harvesting it meaning that you want to claim this token that have been mined or that have been gained as a result of the staking of our gold tokens. Now if you click here, if you want to stake more, so I'm going to show you how to stake more and at the same time unstake all. So click on stake now. It's a successful staking. You have staked 37,240 holding golds in yield. So you can click on view yield. You can see my yield. So you can see here is available gold is 0. If I click here, it's showing 0. So now I want to equally unstake it. Then after I finish this video of staking and unstaking, I'm going to take you through the withdrawal proof. So I'm going to click on stake all. So confirm withdraw now. Your staking will be stopped growing. Keep staking, withdraw now. So I click on, if you want to keep staking, click here. If you want to unstake, you just click withdraw now. So I'm going to click withdraw now for the purpose of this video. So I click on withdraw now. Successful withdraw. You withdraw 1,147,203.77 golds. Continue to stake and your staking yield will keep growing. You can see now. So if I click on stake to end now, let me show you first before I continue. You can see available gold is 1.20 million. So if I want to stake all, just click here and click on stake. So that is it for this video, guys. You can see my yield is 0 now because I've been first and added, and staking gold is 0. And for those that are new to my channel and not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have not started mining white cash token, I have some video on the top of this video. Click on it or go through my video and search for how to register or get started with white cash. You see it on my videos, my video list. So thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.